Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Shopify and WordPress. Now, starting with Shopify here. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform built specifically for online stores. You pay a monthly fee, and then it handles hosting, security, and updates. Now for WordPress, WordPress in itself doesn't have e-commerce functionality. However, it does have a plugin which allows e-commerce functionality, which is WooCommerce. So WordPress is a content management system, and then WooCommerce is a plugin that adds e-commerce functionality. You host it yourself or through a hosting provider, and then you customize everything yourself. So let's go over the pros and cons of each, starting with Shopify. So the pros of Shopify is that it is easy to set up and use. It is secure and reliable. It has 24/7 support. It has built-in payment system and is fast performing. Now the cons of Shopify is that it has monthly fees plus transaction fees unless using Shopify payments. It is also less flexible and customizable, and apps can add up in cost. So Shopify allows you to add apps to your store. However, those apps require payment for or buying them from the store. Now let's go over to WordPress. Now WordPress plus WooCommerce, the pros of them is that it is highly customizable. It has a huge range of plugins and themes. It is better for content-heavy stores like blogs or SEOs. And then it doesn't have any platform fees except for hosting. Now the cons of WordPress is that it has a steeper learning curve, so it's harder to learn compared to Shopify. You handle security, updates, and backups, unlike Shopify, which handles it itself, including the payment. And it also needs a reliable hosting and can be overwhelming for beginners or especially small businesses or small e-commerce. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Shopify if you want a simple, reliable store without any tech hassle. And then you should choose WordPress plus WooCommerce if you want full control, flexibility, and are comfortable with managing a site. And that is it. That is the difference between Shopify and WordPress. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.